Welcome, learners. Today, we're diving into the power of study and how it can transform your life. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? Let's get started. Studying isn't just about memorizing facts or passing exams. It's a journey towards self-discovery and mastery. Every hour you dedicate to your studies is an investment in your future. So, let's cultivate that mindset.
Remember this: the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Your goals are within reach, but it takes hard work and dedication. Embrace every challenge as a stepping stone to your success. Explore different study methods that resonate with you. Find a routine that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's reviewing flashcards, engaging in group studies, or using digital tools, it all adds up. Tailor your study routine to maximize your productivity.
And don't forget the importance of balance. Study hard, but also take time to recharge your mind and body. Whether it's a short walk, a chat with friends, or meditative practices, self-care fuels your brain for better learning. Look at those who have achieved greatness. They didn't get there by chance. They persevered through dedication and hard work. You too can follow in their footsteps, and it starts right here, right now.
Stay focused, stay motivated, and remember that every step you take in your studies brings you closer to your dreams. Now, go out there and study like your future depends on it, because it truly does.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share your study strategies with us in the comments below. Let's inspire each other. Keep learning and growing.